Hello guys, let us understand the concept of ternary operator. Okay, so I already taught you unary operator and binary operator. So this is ternary operator. So what is unary operator? So the operator which will have only one operand. Okay, so we have seen a plus plus or minus minus a or plus plus a. So whatever it is unary operator. So what are the binaries? So something a star b or a plus b. So this is binary operator. Why? Because in unary single operator operand is there. In binary two operand is there. So what about ternary? What about ternary here? Ternary means three operands will be there here. Okay, let me fill this later. Okay, in ternary operator, so three operands we need to give here. For that we will be use something called question mark and the colon. Okay, in before the question mark we are going to put the condition. Here we put the condition, and what we are going to do here, this is statement 1 and this is nothing but statement 2. If you put one condition, okay, question mark means the condition here. If the condition is true, statement 1 will be executed. If the condition is false, statement 2 is going to be executed. The thing is statement 1 and statement 2 are must and should be same type, and condition it should be boolean type data only. Okay, let me give you one example here. So but remember here, condition is true, so statement 1 will execute. Condition 1 false, that is condition false, statement 2 will execute. Let me give you one example here. Okay, so let us print system. Okay, I am not printing, so directly I'll give. There is a value something and there is a b value is something called 2. Okay, so I am giving one condition, a greater than b here. Okay, then print a or else. So then what I will print, I will take a string value, a is big or else b is big. So whatever it may be. So statement 1 you can give any data here, and for statement 2 you can give any data here. Okay, but the data type must and should it should be same only. Okay, so now condition, what is the condition? 5 is greater than 2. If the condition is true, 5 is greater than 2, yes, 5 is greater than 2, so a is big, it will print. What if for suppose here the b value is 12? Is 5 is greater than 12? No, right? So condition false, so statement 2 will be executed, b is big will be printed. Actually it is not printed. Why? Because I did use this system.out.println. So what it is going to return at last? A string type of data. If you want, you can store it in string C. Hope you guys got a clarity on this, right? Okay, if statements true, condition true, statement 1 will execute. Condition false, statement 2 is going to be executed. Okay, so let me give you one example for this. This is the question here. Okay, let us see here. A is equals to 5, b is equals to 2. Is 5 is greater than 2? Yes, of course it's correct. So when it is true, statement 1, this is statement 1, this is statement 2. Okay, so statement 1 is going to be executed. So a is bigger is the value. Java C ternary operator dot Java. Java ternary operator. See, a is bigger because a value is 5 bigger. So what if the data is here 12? Is 5 is greater than 12? No, condition becomes false, so it will come to the statement 2. So same thing, let us recompile it here. So Java C ternary operator dot Java. So compile success, ternary operator. Here, now if you see b is bigger, previously a is bigger because condition true means statement 1, condition false means statement 2. Here you need to remember one important point, that okay, here very important point you have to remember, that statement 1 and statement 2 both should be same type. Okay, so the return value should be either, if you are taking statement 1 as string, you have to take statement 2 also string only. If you are taking statement 1 as true, statement 2 must be true only. Okay, so this is the thing you have to remember here. This is the note point you have to remember. Okay, you can give anything. Here you can give number also, but statement 1 is number, statement 2 also must be a number.